Tucked away in the hills of southern West Virginia, the Bearwallow Trail is part of the Hatfield McCoy Trail System. Bearwallow offers everything from scenic routes to double black diamond extremes. But for this trip, it's just Sherah and I. And since we're running solo, we decided to stick to a few of the green and blue trails that fall on the easier side of the spectrum. The plan is simple: spend a few hours exploring the mountains, enjoy the views, and make the most of a quiet day on the trail. Right from the start, Bearwallow sets the tone. Wide forest roads, gentle climbs, and just enough twists to keep things interesting. It's the kind of trail where you can relax behind the wheel, take in the scenery, and not worry about pushing the limits. A few miles in, we found a clearing overlooking the trail below. One of those spots that make you slow down, step out, and just breathe in. West Virginia has a way of doing that. You don't have to go far to find views that stop you in your tracks. The Hatfield McCoy Trail System at Bearwallow is well marked and easy to navigate, which makes it a great spot whether you're new to off-roading or just looking for an easy weekend ride. Unless, of course, you want to take some of the more extreme trails. You can spend a couple hours like we did, or make a whole weekend out of it, exploring new routes, checking out nearby towns, and enjoying everything these hills have to offer.
I am not even.
All right, we are at Bearwallow on Hatfield McCoy Trail, West Virginia, putting on our All Roads Taken badge because adventure is worth the drive. All right, that was Trail 14 at Hatfield McCoy Trail System, Bearwallow. What'd you think?
Pretty good.
Do it again?
I'd do it again.
Should do it again. That's a win. By the end of the day, we'd covered a few trails, soaked up the views, and never once had to test the limits of the Jeep. Sometimes that's all you need. A few hours, a good trail, and a chance to clear your head. Bearwallow may be known for its extremes, but it's the easy trails that make it a perfect getaway for anyone who just wants to explore.